Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Seekway LED Player to import video, record screen, and create colorful character. Firstly, we right-click the blank space and choose Add Program. Then we select the window and click Material, Media. Find the footage and click Add. Then we go back to the software and click Play to see this effect. We can slide Property and adjust the parameters of item property like Film Mode. Next, we'll learn how to record screen. We click Material, Screen Record. We can drag this window directly and resize it. Besides, we can also enter the window coordinates and its size to accurately record the screen. Then we press F10 to start recording. Press F11 to end recording. Now we can see that the content played on the computer is recorded into a program, so we can click Play to see this effect. Eventually, we'll learn how to create colorful character. We select the window and click Material, Colorful Character. Then we choose the color scroll editor of the text. Next, we adjust its property. We need to change the text like this. We can adjust the parameters in Basic Property, for example, font and size. We can also change its format, text animation, display mode, and special effect. All adjustments can be seen on the left side. We can click Alter to save. Then we close this interface and click Yes to save. Now we can click Play to this text effect. That is all about using Seekway LED Player software to import video, record screen, and create colorful character. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.